TikTok only gives you one link. How to make store.fan do the work of 10. TikTok's single clickable link is brutal for creators juggling products, courses, and coaching. Here's the exact setup that turns that one slot into a full storefront. Instagram lets you scatter links across stories, a bio, and a link tree if you insist. YouTube gives you a whole description box plus channel links. TikTok gives you exactly one clickable spot in your entire profile, and it's easy to burn it on a single product page while your other 7 offers sit invisible. That's not a minor inconvenience. It's the core reason so many TikTok creators with huge view counts still struggle to turn attention into income. The fix isn't posting more. It's making that one link behave like 10, which is precisely what a properly built store.fan page does. Why TikTok's link problem is different. On Instagram, someone lands on your profile after seeing a reel, already scrolled past your grid with some context. On TikTok, someone taps your profile mid-swipe, often from a single video they watched for 11 seconds, with zero context about anything else you do. They tap the link expecting whatever that video was about. And if they land on a generic "welcome to my page" wall of unrelated products, they bounce. TikTok traffic is fast, impulsive, and unforgiving of friction. Your storefront has to answer, "Is this the thing I just saw?" in under 2 seconds. Then show them everything else you sell before they swipe away mentally. A single viral sound can send 40,000 people to your profile in a day, and every one of them judges your entire business in the time it takes to read one sentence. If you haven't opened your store.fan and structured it specifically for this behavior, you're leaving most of that traffic on the table. Structure your blocks for a scroll speed audience. store.fan Store Designer lets you stack content blocks, cover photo, product cards, free downloads, external links, in whatever order converts best for your audience. For TikTok specifically, the order should follow the logic of what a rushed viewer needs to see first, not the order you built things in. Headline that matches your TikTok persona in one line. Not your job title, the exact promise your videos make, e.g. 3-minute recipes for people who hate meal prep. Your most viral adjacent product first. Whatever you sell that's closest to your current trending content should sit at the very top, above everything else. One free LED magnet, high up. TikTok traffic is colder than Instagram or email traffic. Most viewers don't know you yet, so a free checklist or mini guide converts browsers into your list before they ever consider paying. Your core paid products, ranked by relevance, not price. Resist the urge to lead with your most expensive offer. Lead with the one most people actually want. Coaching or calls near the bottom, clearly labeled with what happens on the call. High-intent buyers scroll for these. Casual browsers don't need them first. The 2-second rule. Open your store.fan on your phone, set a 2-second timer, and see what's visible before you scroll. If your top block doesn't obviously connect to your most recent TikTok, reorder it. That's the exact block of viral videos traffic will judge you by. Sync your caption and bio habits with your storefront. The biggest wasted opportunity on TikTok isn't the storefront itself. It's the caption and pinned comment that fail to reinforce it. Most creators write "link in bio" and stop there, forcing the viewer to do all the work of figuring out what to look for. Instead, treat your caption as a signpost for the exact block they should tap. Video about a specific product. The caption says, "Grab the template. Top of my store.fan," so viewers scan for the right block instead of your whole page. Video that's pure entertainment, no direct sell. Caption points to your free lead magnet instead, since cold viewers from a viral moment are far more likely to grab something free than pay immediately. Series content, day 3 of 5, etc. Duets and stitches that go unexpectedly viral. Update your headline block same day to reference the moment. since that traffic spike will judge your whole store against the one clip they just saw. It's worth studying a live example store for this exact reason. Not to copy the design, but to see how the headline, top product, and free offer reinforce one core promise. So no matter which video sent someone there, the storefront feels like a continuation instead of a cold restart. Pick products that survive TikTok's browsing pace. Set up payments and delivery so nothing stalls a TikTok impulse buy. TikTok audiences move fast, and any friction between "I want this" and "I got this" costs you sales. Connect Stripe in one click, or add a PayPal email if that's what your audience prefers. Apple Pay and Google Pay work automatically on top of that, which matters for a platform whose users are almost entirely on mobile. The moment payment clears, the buyer gets a secure download link on screen and by email instantly. Course access and coaching call links arrive the same automatic way. There's no manual step where you have to remember to send a file, which matters because TikTok's traffic can spike at 11 p.m. on a Tuesday when you're asleep. The gap between someone deciding to buy and actually receiving what they paid for is where most impulse purchases quietly die. Close that gap, and TikTok's chaotic traffic patterns stop being a liability. Keep the storefront current as your content shifts. TikTok trends move in days, not months, so a storefront you set up once and never touch will drift out of sync with what your videos are actually about. Build a light weekly habit. Whenever you post around a new theme, spend 2 minutes checking whether your top storefront block still matches. Use discount codes tied to specific content pushes. A limited time code mentioned in a caption creates urgency that fits TikTok's fast-moving culture better than a permanent price ever could. And once someone buys, your customer list becomes an asset independent of the algorithm. Send a broadcast email when you drop something new, instead of hoping the same viewer finds another video of yours. Headline matches your current TikTok persona, not just your job title. Top block is your most viral adjacent product or free lead magnet. Free download sits above your paid products for cold traffic. Captions reference specific storefront blocks, not just link in bio. Pinned comments on series content link the right product for context. Stripe or PayPal connected, with Apple Pay, Google Pay confirmed working. Discount codes ready for content-driven urgency pushes. Weekly 2-minute check that your top block still matches current content. Getting started. If you haven't set any of this up yet, don't overthink the launch. Start free. Add your top 2 or 3 products, write one honest headline, and put your best free download near the top. You can refine block order and copy over the next few weeks as you see which videos actually drive clicks. If you're deciding between the free tier and the pro plan, the practical rule of thumb is simple. Once you're consistently making sales, the 0% platform fees on paid plans pay for themselves fast. So check the pricing page once you have real numbers instead of guessing up front. TikTok isn't going to give you a second link, a description box full of URLs, or a Linktree-friendly bio format. So the entire game is making the one link you get behave like an actual business. Get the block order right. Keep your captions pointed at specific parts of the page instead of a vague link in bio, and let automatic delivery handle the speed TikTok audiences expect. For more tactics like this, browse the blog. There's a growing library of platform-specific playbooks beyond just TikTok. Key takeaways. TikTok's link scarcity means your bio link has to double as a homepage, a catalog, and a sales page all at once. Order matters more on TikTok than anywhere else, because viewers arrive mid-scroll with almost no patience. Captions and pinned comments should point to the storefront, not a single product URL, so every video sells your whole catalog. Free lead magnets at the top of the page convert cold TikTok traffic that isn't ready to pay yet. Instant, automatic delivery matters even more on TikTok because viewers expect the same speed they get from the app itself. Start your creator store, free, at store.fan.